Welcome to the exciting topic today in the Next Chartered Accountant's PIN episode. Today, we're going to explore a powerful integration, connecting Power BI with Gmail. As professional accountants, our emails are loaded with information. Have you ever wanted to analyze your email data, track communication patterns, or extract specific information directly from your inbox for reporting? Power BI, combined with Gmail, makes this possible, allowing you to turn unstructured email data into actionable insights. Why is this connection valuable? Data analysis. Analyze email volume, sender/recipient trends, subject line effectiveness, and more. Operational monitoring. Track customer inquiries, support tickets, or project communications directly from your inbox. Reporting and dashboards. Create custom reports and interactive dashboards based on your email activity. Automation potential. While Power BI primarily focuses on analysis, this connection lays the groundwork for more automated workflows. The challenge with email data is its unstructured nature. It's often hard to extract specific pieces of information. The solution lies in leveraging Power BI's data, connectivity, and transformation capabilities. While there isn't a direct Gmail connector in Power BI Desktop, we'll use a widely available solution, the Gmail API, via a third-party tool or custom script, or by extracting email data into a structured format first. Here's a high-level overview of how we'll achieve this connection. Step 1. Data extraction. Get your Gmail data out of Google's servers. Step 2. Data transformation. Structure the extracted data into a usable format, e.g., CSV, Excel, database. Step 3. Power BI import. Load the structured data in a Power BI desktop. Step 4. Analysis and visualization. Build your reports and dashboards. For simplicity and often for richer datasets, many users opt for third-party tools that bridge the gap between Gmail and Power BI. Tools like Supermetrics, Coupler.io, or even specialized email marketing platforms with Gmail integrations can export your data in a Power BI-friendly format. These services typically handle the complexities of the Gmail API for you, allowing you to specify what data you want to extract, e.g., sender, recipient, subject, date, body. Once exported, often as CSV, Excel, or directly to a cloud storage Power BI can access, you can easily import it into Power BI. Note, while some tools connect directly to email marketing platforms for general Gmail data, you look for tools that export data from your email itself, rather than just marketing campaign stats. Enable Gmail API. Go to Google Cloud Console, create a project, and enable the Gmail API. Create credentials. Set up OAuth 2.0 client IDs for authentication. Write Python script. Use the Google API Python client to fetch emails. You'll need to handle authentication. Specify search queries, e.g., from someone@example.com, and parse the email content. Export to CSV/JSON. Save the extracted data, sender, date, subject, body, etc., into a structured file format like CSV or JSON. This method requires development knowledge and familiarity with APIs. Once you have your structured email data, importing into Power BI is straightforward. 1. Open Power BI Desktop. Click on Get Data. 2. Choose your data source. Select text/CSV, Excel workbook, or web, depending on how you've saved or made your data accessible. 3. Connect and load. Browse to your file or enter the web URL and click Load. 4. Power Query Editor. The Power Query Editor will open. This is where you clean and transform your data. Rename columns for clarity, e.g., email_sender, email_subject. Change data types, e.g., date columns to datetime. Handle missing values or errors. Extract specific information from email bodies using text functions if needed. Data transformation is crucial for effective analysis. Renaming columns. Make your column names intuitive and easy to understand. Changing data types. Ensure dates are recognized as dates, numbers as numbers, etc. Extracting information. Use Power Query's powerful text functions to pull out specific details from the email body or subject, like invoice numbers, customer IDs, or project names. Filtering rows. Remove irrelevant emails, e.g., automated notifications, to focus on your analysis. Adding custom columns. Create new columns based on existing data, like email length or time to respond. With your data clean and loaded, it's time to build your report. Choose the right visuals, bar charts, email volume by sender, topic, or month. Line charts, trends in email activity over time. Tables/matrix, display detailed email information, sender, subject, date, snippet of body. Card visuals, show key metrics like total emails or average daily emails. Create measures. Use DAX to create calculated fields like emails per day, response rate, if you track replies, etc. Add filters and slicers. Allow users to interact with the report and drill down into specific data. The possibilities are vast. Here are some practical use cases. Customer support analysis. Identify peak inquiry times, common issues, and monitor team response rates. Sales and marketing insights. Track lead generation emails, campaign responses, or communication frequency with clients. Project management. Monitor project communication. Ensure all team members are receiving critical updates. Personal productivity. Understand your own email habits, identify time sinks, and improve efficiency. While powerful, there are some limitations and considerations. API limits. Gmail API has usage limits. Be mindful of how much data you're pulling and how frequently. Data volume. Large inboxes can result in very large data sets, impacting performance. Privacy and security. Always be aware of the sensitive nature of email data. Ensure proper permissions and data handling. Unstructured data challenge. Extracting specific, complex information from free-form email bodies can be challenging and might require advanced parsing techniques. Real-time versus scheduled refresh. Direct real-time connection to Gmail is often not feasible or practical. You'll typically schedule data refreshes. Thanks for watching Chartered Accountant's Pen. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for future informative videos.